we're here on location at Backwater Reservoir in Angus, which is kind of just near the Highlands. It's just on the edge of it, and there's meant to be quite big Aurora tonight, and people have been capturing it, but I've had to wait for quite a while for the cloud to clear. It's been going from south to north, and as you can see where it is just now, it's just over the northern horizon, so it's meant to be still going away north. So give it maybe an hour and we should have crystal clear skies, but we've got crystal clear skies pretty much everywhere. So it is a very bright moon. It's about a 70% moon, so we'll see what we can capture of the Aurora. So I've just got fingers crossed. I've been doing other kind of media wee bits promotion for my stargazing events on my website as well throughout the night, so it's been a productive night so far, but I wanted to do a nice wee vlog of hopefully capturing some Aurora. So we'll see what happens. I'll give it an hour or so, and let's just hope we get some sort of green or pillars or something, because it'd be just nice to get an image. So it is really quiet just now here. It's completely flat camp, completely still, pretty mild for end of, well, we're in the middle of March now, but it's really quite mild actually. So it's kind of dewy as well, so all the tripods are a wee bit dewy, so that might be a bit of fun, trying to keep the dew off the lenses, but we'll see what happens. So we'll just enjoy the nice peaceful Highland Loch. So the Northern Lights is there. You can kind of see that green tinge. Obviously it's not very vibrant. I definitely can see it with the naked eye. So all I'm going to do is just keep taking pictures until we get a few pillars. The BZ line is going away back up north in about half an hour, and you normally get a little kind of burst of activity just before it goes back up north. So I think in maybe half an hour, we might get a few pillars from this scene. So I've kind of gone down to the water's edge of this. It's a reservoir, so I think it feeds like Dundee water. So just now we've not had a lot of rain here in Scotland, so the reservoir's like really low. So this is normally full of water. I've normally been fishing here and caught fish where I've been standing. So it's the lowest I've seen it for a while. But yeah, we've just not had much rain, which is weird for, you know, March in Scotland. So I'm just going to keep taking shots here. There's not much else I can kind of do, and just hope we get some sort of pillars. Settings I'm using for this sort of like Moonlight, because it is really bright. So I'm at 8 seconds, f1.4, and only 800 ISO. So yeah, really, oh, I just saw a few pillars there, really quick. Right, I'm going to kind of enjoy the moment and just watch the show through the camera. Yeah, there's some pillars here and there. Nice. Okay, so I think that's probably about it for the night. I've literally stood in this spot for 2.5 hours now, mucking about with the camera, well, just playing about, scrolling about on the phone. But yeah, 2.5 hours, and I'm a bit knackered now, a bit cold. The Aurora's just kind of staying just as a green bulge on the horizon, so there's not much really to photograph, unfortunately. So I'm going to call it a night there, but yeah, I'll probably add a wee bit of footage of my promotion that I did earlier in the night, the wee stargazing event, because I'm doing some, you know, promoting stargazing events and stuff like that. So it was a productive night. I'll put the picture up of what I got, but it's not going to win any awards. It's just a bit of green on the horizon. Lovely kind of view, obviously. It's a beautiful area. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks very much for watching. Cheers. I'm Andrew, a Scottish astrophotographer, and I want to show you the night sky here in Scotland. If you do a stargazing event with me, I'll have binoculars, telescope, my personal photography equipment all on hand to show you the best of the night sky. I'll also show you around the night sky by using my laser pointer. So we will pick out celestial objects such as the planets. So Mars is up there just beside the moon. We've got Jupiter over there. We've got Orion just over there. We've got the Pleiades over down there. So we've got so many different celestial things, and I'll show you through the night sky with my laser pointer. So it all depends what time of year that the stargazing event takes place. We could talk about Orion, we could talk about the Plough, we could talk about Cassiopeia, we could talk about the Milky Way. All depends what time of year the stargazing event is. Obviously I'll try and avoid a bright full moon because you want to see the dark skies of Scotland, but sometimes a bit of moon is fine because you get to observe the moon through binoculars and my telescope. On the night I'll share many facts about the night sky, about any celestial body that you can see on the night. I can also talk about celestial events such as northern lights, eclipses, meteor showers, anything that you want, and I'll of course photograph you under the night sky of that night. So be rest assured, on a stargazing event you'll literally see the night sky getting pointed around, and we'll just have a great night under Scotland's night sky. Locations of these stargazing events can be a wee bit of a last minute warning, and they can be anywhere in Scotland wherever the skies are clear. I'll give plenty of warning through my newsletter, social media posts and my broadcast channel on Facebook. So thank you so much for showing some interest in the stargazing events, and I'll hope to see you there.